If you are watching this video, that means you want to learn how to make the best French toast. Here I'm gonna start off with 6 eggs. I went ahead and cracked my eggs. Try not to get any shell in there, and I went ahead and took the white thing off my egg because I didn't want it on there. All right, so we're gonna make the custard or the bat for the bread. So I will list all the ingredients down below and measurements. All right, so here I have some whole milk, up next some heavy cream, cinnamon, brown sugar. This is the maple syrup, guys. I like to put it in there for some flavor. This is my vanilla extract. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. Pinch of salt. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just combine everything together. Combining everything together, you're gonna go ahead and use the bread of your choice. I picked this up at Walmart. It's a sliced white bread. Just go ahead and dip it in there and soak up all that goodness. And I'm gonna put this to the side.